taping everything for you, the fun, the festivities, the parties, the music, the dancing, everybody getting together and socializing. And we've got a lot of interviews and a lot of fun to show you on our Discovering Laguna Woods Village show on Wednesday mornings on Village Television at 9:30. We're going to be showing this all to you on our September show. Of Woodstock way back then. What did it mean to you?
Oh, well, yeah, I was only like, I was 17. I was on the East Coast with my relatives, and I didn't even know it was happening up there.
Yeah.
So when I got back to California, that's when I started seeing all the ripple effect, because I didn't know anything about Woodstock.
Is that right?
Yeah, but it was all the ripple effect, and then all the bands started coming out. Because for some of them, it was really their debut, like Sha Na Na, and a lot of the bands hadn't played.
Yeah.
And so they became famous, actually, from Woodstock.
That's amazing.
So the ripple effect was, I knew about it, I learned about it, but that summer wasn't even on my radar.
Yeah, and it wasn't just the music, it was the content of the music, too. They had a lot to say.
Yeah,
and that's what changed things. Music can change
things. And all the photography. And hippies and the mud and everything. So at 17, it made a big impression. But it was after the fact. And I lamented the fact I didn't get up there to do it. I was like in South Carolina or someplace. So.
But it affected everybody.
It does. No matter you were 15 or 25, that whole spread of people, that was like a real weather touchstone.
And we're glad that you, as the Baby Boomers Club, decided that Woodstock was going to be the iconic event of the club, and it's really amazing.
Well, I can't take any credit. The first board that founded the club 10 years ago had a great vision.
Yes.
Yeah, to start this. So I'm just trying to carry on.
Well, you're doing a great job. It's fantastic. Everybody that I've spoken to today loves it. Been here a number of times, are going to come back and having a great time. You know, it doesn't get any better than that.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, Kathy, thanks so much for taking a couple of minutes. I know you're super busy.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Inside my car. Pictures, honey, I'm a wonderful man. I'm gonna take you to the nearest star. I'm your vehicle, baby. Take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, woman. And now I'm sure you know that I love you, want to get to have your child. Great God in heaven, you know I love you. Wants to be a movie star, I gotta take it to Hollywood. If you wanna stay just the way you are, you know I think you really should. Great God in heaven, you know I love.
So stay tuned, and we hope to see you then.